father, Mr. Albert Agbayani. Agbayani Clipurgar, assisted by his father, Mr. Ronald Agbayani. Aguinaldo Mark James M., assisted by his father, Mr. Cristobal Aguinaldo. Alejandro Donor T., assisted by his father, Mr. Conrado Alejandro. Almas Mariel J.M., assisted by his father, Mr. Marlon Almas. Antonio J. Shear John G., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Evangeline Antonio. Arsaga Gilbert A., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Lodina Arsaga. Asuncion Paul Mitchell M., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Selena Asuncion. Bagain Jenner, assisted by his mother, Mrs. Perlita Bagain. Maybe the next forces in charge of criminology, please come up the stage and witness on the scenes. Balukas Nathaniel P., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Sally Balukas. Kalaranan Kid Mark P., assisted by his father, Mr. Mariano Kalaranan. Caliboso Russell J.M., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Roselia Caliboso. Colobong John Vincent P., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Zemelda Colobong. Cariaga Romel D., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Cariaga. Domingo Lionel, assisted by his father, Mr. David Domingo. Duyao Fernando D., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Victoria Duyao. Espejo Dodi Mrs. Adelina Espejo, Espiritu Miguel, assisted by his father, Mr. Fernando Espiritu, Evangelista Eunice Gaidi, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Lilia Evangelista, Philomena Taylor Carr, assisted by his mother, Mrs. Lailani Philomena. Fiesta Isaac, assisted by her father, Mr. Victorino Fiesta Jr. Garcia J.P., assisted by his father, Mr. Noni Garcia. Herrera James A., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Susana Herrera. Ignacio Alchon A., assisted by his grandmother, Mrs. Rosalinda Andres. James Julius S., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Elizabeth James. assisted by his mother, Mrs. Elizabeth Thomas. Jose Mark Christian D., assisted by his father, Mr. Eben Jose. Lagaso Cheron P., assisted by his father, Mr. Enaro Lagaso. Luma Nathaniel B., assisted by his father, Mr. Samuel Luma. Mamala Mar Choyanar, assisted by his mother, Mrs. Letty Mamala. Mamutos John Paul C., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Marilyn Mamutos. Manayan Mark Anthony P., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Merlin Manayan. Mercado Maria Angelica Perel, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Perla Mercado. Nicolas Renz Marlon B., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Rowena Nicolas. Parco John Rex Angelo Q., assisted by his father, Mr. Jose Parco. Pihera Junior F, assisted by his father, Mr. Rani Pihera. Keha J. Maruez, assisted by his mother, Mrs. Marisa Keha. Sagon Maria Cristina B, assisted by his mother, Mrs. Marilo Sagon. Suarez Aldrich D, assisted by his mother, Mrs. Adelaida Suarez. Tagata Lucky Adrian C, assisted by his mother, Mrs. Marina Tagata. Tagata R.J. P, assisted by her father, Mr. Arnel Tagata. Tumabien Wilson C, assisted by his sister, Miss Evans Roslyn Tumabien. Ladies and gentlemen, the graduates of Bachelor of Elementary Education. Adayan Angelica A, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Annalyn Adayan. Agra Miss Ray, assisted by her father, Mr. Teddy Agra. Amian Jason D, assisted by his father, Mr. Anisteto Amian Sr. Asis Prince Kevin Simon J, assisted by his mother, Mr. Elizar Asis. Baroka Maribeth, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Conchita Baroka. Basa Mrs. Imelda Tapos. Basilio Cherry Joy P, assisted by her father, Mr. Asterio Basilio. Batina Maria Carmela, assisted by her father, Mr. Eleuterio Batina. Batoyo Rose Andy, assisted by her father, Mr. Mariano Batoyo. Bilaco Alpa Rapina, assisted by her aunt, Mrs. Esperanza Rivera. assisted by her mother, Mrs. Marisa Cadiz. Castillo Janet, assisted by her sister, Mrs. Jemaline Lam. The Sir Mary Jane Singh, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Julissa Hussain. The Dobo Michelle Russell Ames, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Marcela Adobo. The Guzman Janet P, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Milagros de Guzman. The Grossman, Rhea Gilby, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Guillermo de Guzman. De la Cruz Arvindi, assisted by his mother, Mrs. Ofelia de la Cruz. De Vera Cherry Gilby, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Jovelyn de Vera. De Mapuro, Princess I, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Audrey de Mapuro. Dumayag Hazel Ann, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Luisa Dumayag. Domrique Alice Joy T, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Josie Dumayag. Iboos Kiamichi, assisted by her father, Mr. Marlon Iboos. Isidro Charlie G, assisted by his mother, Mrs. Melanie Isidro. Jacob Charlie F, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Wilma Jacob. Lopez Jacqueline D, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Jacinta Lopez. Magano Olingly, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Rowena Magano. Magno Karen Joy Singh, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Marianne Magno. Medrano Julian Louis A, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Joy Medrano. Pasqua Ross Ann M, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Encarta Pasqua. Pekwa Alpagenti, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Sita Pekwa. assisted by her uncle, Mr. Elmo A. Repato Chanka Marlani, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Mary Jane Repato. Raymond Marian Therese M., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Marina Raymond. Tolentino Lovely Chinay, assisted by her father, Mr. Reynaldo Tolentino. Tumines Jena Lidel, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Evelyn Tumines. Samuel Crystal Lee, assisted by her father, Mr. Wanibu Samuel. Obasa April Ansi, assisted by her father, Mr. Benito Obasa Sr. Valencia Jehan Shinanti, assisted by her father, Mr. Antonio Valencia. And Valera May Francis P., assisted by her aunt, Mrs. Gina Lee Ignacio. Ladies and gentlemen, the graduates of Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, Agustin John Kerrigan C., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Leilani Agustin. Magisteros Mark Kevin A., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Magdalena Ballesteros. Bonador Junior Domingo A., assisted by his father, Mr. Domingo Bonador Sr. Brandes Emerson D., assisted by his father, Mr. Elmo Brandes Sr. Kabaksar Ian Cesare, assisted by his mother, Mrs. Charlesa Kabaksar. Castillo Jr. Renato C., assisted by his father, Mr. Renato Castillo Sr. Macasio Erwin C., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Dionisia Macasio. Kina John Leo A., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Jocelyn Kina. Ratwita Chris Ian, assisted by his father, Mr. Romeo Ratwita Sr. And Sawit Chowar A., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Rema Sawit. his mother, Mrs. Nelly Bismarck. Kalilaw Winwright Clifford G., assisted by his father, Mr. Nelson Kalilaw. Kalibo Maria Acelia Iselvi, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Angeles Kalibo. Kalumpin Marjan, assisted by his father, Mr. Rodney Kalumpin. De La Cruz Frances Marhay, assisted by her mother, Mrs. Estela De La Cruz. Palakpakan tayo. Diego Lester A., assisted by his brother, Mr. Emiliano Antonio. Fiesta Christian S., assisted by his father, Mr. Cipriano Fiesta Jr. Figuración Arloca A., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Analisa Figuración. Galario John Vladimir P., assisted by his father, Mr. Benchito Galario. Lagasca Emmy Jr., assisted by his mother, Mrs. Marlene Lagasca. Assisted by his brother, Mr. Michael Miguel. Miguel Kim Vernon Yu, assisted by his mother, Mrs. Nena Miguel. Miguel Rachel C., assisted by her father, Mr. Santos Miguel. Ramos Mayros F., assisted by her mother, Mrs. Evelyn Ramos. Rivera Rodel Katie, assisted by his brother, Mr. Rusty Rivera. Please give them a round